So in previous video I've shown you how to contour, blush and highlight your face. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can apply eyeshadow, liner and mascara. Even if you don't know how to do it, you still can. So keep watching and let's get started. So you can take any eyeshadow palette and any color which you want with my fingers like this, and then you can just apply the shadow with your fingers. Just don't make a harsh line, keep blending it like this, and then on the other eye as well you can do the same thing. So I'm not using brush right now, and that's it. Now you can take any eyeshadow blending brush and just brush it up so that there is no harsh line left, just like that, very roughly, just to make sure that there is no harsh line. This is as simple as that. I've just taken the eyeshadow pigment on my fingertip and then I've applied it on my lids, and then I just roughly brush it off with a blending brush, and that's it. There you go. So you don't need a lot of time to do it. It's that simple and easy. Now I'm going to use eyeliners. So I'm using this Maybelline Colossal liner. You can use a pen liner, liquid liner, whichever is suitable to you. I'm using this pen liner from Maybelline. I'm going to draw a thin line and I'm going to start with my inner corners of the eyes. So I'm drawing the line from the inner corner of the eyes. Just keep going on, you're almost there. And that's it. And there you go with a perfect liner. Now I'm gonna show you how you can apply a mascara. Just keep brushing your lashes upwards to give it a nice length and volume to the lashes. Also, don't forget to apply it on your lower lash line. Thank you for watching.